Good morning, students. In today's class, we'll discuss about history of fish taxonomy and some websites and books that we are referring for identification and classification system. Okay. In today's class, we'll discuss about some taxonomists who are popular in their work, some in world, some scenario of Indian scenario, some popular books in fish taxonomy, and some internet tools that are used in taxonomic identification, or the sources whatever we are using for identification. First scientific description on taxonomy was made by Aristotle, who is known as father of classification. Okay. In 16th century, Pierre Bellon published a book called as De Aquati Livus Librio Due, containing 110 species information of the eastern part of the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, this was the first book. Next, the English naturalist. Please note down those things. Aristotle, father of classification. Work is sex on the sharks, change in the sea bass. Next, 16th century Pierre Bellon. Next, English sorry
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी क्लियर।
आवाज क्लियर नहीं है?
नो सर, अब भी आ रही है।
सर हमको दे रही।
He used genus and species method of naming the organism well ahead of Linnaeus. Before Linnaeus, the person known as John Ray introduced the grouping system. John Ray, along with Francis Wheeler, published Historia Piscium. Piscium means fish, containing the information about 420 species of Great Britain and Germany. First is Pierre Bellon along the Mediterranean Sea. Then comes John Ray and Francis Wheeler. The name of the book was Historia Piscium along the Great Britain and Germany. Second period was the Linnaean and his contemporanean, that means their subsequent authors. Third period is the empirical approach. In 18th century, the Swedish botanist called as Peter Artedi built the classification system of fishes. He is known as father of ichthyology.
सर क्लियर आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
आ रही
सर
है,
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आ रही है, वो कट कट के आ रही है।
अभी ठीक है?
नो सर।
नो सर।
Now it is clear, audible.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now it is clear. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Father of taxonomy is Carolus Linnaeus. That is the 12th edition. That is the basis of the all classification system. Before Linnaeus, that is the identification done by Peter Artedi, John Ray. These all are not taken into account. Always remember, it is the 12th edition of Systema Naturae, the book written by Carolus Linnaeus or Carl Linnaeus, become the basis of all classification system. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है सर आवाज
Clear, sir.
After Carolus Linnaeus, all those are the popular authors or popular taxonomists. Whatever we are studying all the fishes, all those fishes are named by these authors only. One of the most popular is Mark Eliezer Bloch, or we will tell that Emmy Bloch. So many species we will find that Bloch is there. So many species was identified by Emmy Bloch. That is the during Linnaeus period, because the Systema Naturae was 1756, and after that some identification done by Emmy Bloch, a series of volumes of fishes of Germany and rest of the world. Okay. In respect of Emmy Bloch, so many fishes are also named as Blotchy. Blotchy means according to the Emmy Bloch. Please note down, these are the name of the taxonomist. Next comes Georges Cuvier. Okay. Cuvier and his student was Achille Valenciennes. Here also you will find so many number of fishes are identified by Cuvier. Some are only by Cuvier, some fishes are only by Valenciennes, and some are identified both by Cuvier and Valenciennes. Okay. Compiled and classified the known fishes and also worked on fish anatomy. Next is BGE Lecipidae. Lecipidae, Gautam, please delete. compiled some information on fishes also. Lacipede also identified some species. Amy Bloch, Georges Cuvier, Lacipede, Valenciennes, and Carolus Linnaeus. 5 as tell by me in this slide. Next come Samuel Mitchell. The book written by Samuel. Please note down those things. The book written by Samuel Mitchell was The Fishes of New York, Described and Arranged. This is the name of the book. He worked on New York side fishes. Next is Richardson. Richardson, the name of the book was Fishes of the Pacific Coast of North America. Next was Johannes Muller. Muller was a taxonomist on shark taxonomist. Muller and Henle. So many shark species was identified by Muller. Revised the fish classification system. Next comes Albert Gunther. Collection of the fishes in British Museum and published the catalog of fishes in the British Museum. The book Catalog of Fishes in the British Museum. Okay. These are the books that are following by the taxonomists during identification of any fishes. Okay, these are the basic books. The classification nowadays we are following are the classification of Barg. The name of the book is Classification of Fishes, and the most recent book what we are following is the book written by Nelson, Fishes of the World. These two books now popularly followed by all the taxonomists. The classification by Barg, that is Classification of Fishes, and the book by Joseph S. Nelson, Fishes of the World. Okay. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. This is the book that are very common. Commonly we are using the FAO species identification sheet of fishery purposes. This is the for Indian Ocean has two parts. One is Western Indian Ocean, one is Eastern Indian Ocean. Western Indian Ocean is denoted by code 51 and the Eastern Indian Ocean is denoted by the code 57. This book is for Western Indian Ocean, code 51. 57 is Fisher and Whitehead. Okay. The screen is visible, na?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the book. FAO species identification sheet for fishing purposes, Western Indian Ocean, fishing area 51. It has 6 volumes and describe all the species with line diagram. Okay. Suppose volume 4, any information you want, just click and we'll get the line diagram of fishes with this identifying and the distinguishing character with other species. All the fishes have the line diagram. Okay. Sorry, 1 minute. This is the book. It is, Fishes of the World. Okay. Please note down these things.
सर
हाँ
सर सर वो
हाँ
ईस्टर्न इंडियन ओशन का जो कोड था वो 57 था और बुक का नाम सर
same FAO
हाँ,
species identification sheet for fishery purposes, Eastern Indian Ocean,
yes, sir,
code 57.
हाँ.
That is
और सर
Fisher
वो
and
फीचर्स ऑफ फाइव
the author is Fisher and Whitehead. WHITEHEAD. Fisher and Whitehead.
ओके सर
Okay.
यस सर
In India, the first book was 1127 by King Someswara, the son of the king Vikramaditya, composed the book Mana Shol Tara. Mana Shol Tara means on sports fishes. Okay. First modern writer on Indian fishes was Amy Bloch. Amy Bloch means Mark Elisar Bloch. On Indian marine fishes was the first book was the Auslandish fishes. AUSLANDISCHE Auslandish fishes and ichthyology along with Schneider. Bloch, so many fishes were identified by Bloch and Schneider. Okay. Next comes Russell. According to Russell, one species is there, Decapterus russelli. Russelli means Russell. According to Russell, systematic study on the fishes of the Visakhapatnam. Okay. The book written by Russell was Fishes of Visakhapatnam or Vizhinjam. Next comes Dr. Francis Buchanan or Hamilton. Study of the fishes of Ganges and published in 1822, describing over 100 species. All the fishes, that is Labio rohita, Labio katla, Labio bata, all are by Francis Buchanan, 1812. Okay. Shall I change?
Yes, sir.
सर 1 मिनट सर लिख रहा है
Okay. Next is the book by Francis Day. The book written by Francis Day was Fishes of India and the Fauna of British India, Burma and Ceylon. Ceylon means now whatever we are telling at Sri Lanka. These two books by Francis Day. fishes of India and fishes of India, Burma and Ceylon. He studied for more than 22 years and named 343 species. His book include the information of 1418 species and a separate volume only for line diagram of the fishes by Achilles. The drawing was done by both Francis Day and Achilles. Other authors was Bleecker, Gunther, Bevan. Those are some other taxonomists worked on Indian taxonomy. Okay. These are the modern authors, or these are the new books, whatever we are taking for any confirmation of the species. The book by S.L. Hora. S.L. Hora was the director of ZSI. ZSI means Zoological Survey of India. The book written by him was Saptura Hypothesis. Okay. The book you are following now on K.C. Jairam book is there. That is fundamentals of fish taxonomy. Okay. He has written so many books. The popular ones are Index Horana. Next is your freshwater fishes of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Burma, and Sri Lanka. Okay. Next, the freshwater fishes of the so many books of freshwater fishes of India, the freshwater fishes of Indian region. So please try to remember those names. This book name was the freshwater fishes of the Indian region. Next, the catfishes of India. Next comes A.G.K. Menon. The book written by him was Torrential Fishes of Himalayas. Next come Talwar and A.G. Jhingram. P.K. Talwar and A.G. Jhingram. P.K. Talwar also working on ZSI. The two books were written only freshwater fishes of India. That was the freshwater fishes of Indian region. And another book was freshwater fishes of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Burma, Sri Lanka. So there are three books is there. One is freshwater fishes of India. Another one is the freshwater fishes of Indian region. Another book was freshwater fishes of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Burma, and Sri Lanka. Okay. Another book was Inland Fishes of India and Adjacent Countries. This is by Talwar and Jhingram. Next book is by Talwar and Kachkar. Talwar and Kachkar is Commercial Sea Fishes of India. Okay, please note down the name of the books. Catalog of life. Catalog of life means include all those fishes, reptiles, all those are included in catalog of life. Next is that integrated taxonomic information system. These are the general things. In fisheries, we are using catalog of fishes. that is developed by William Estemere, or it is called as Estemere Catalog of Fishes. Okay. Just type in a website catalog of fishes. There you will get each description of whether the name is changed or the name is modified. That all we can see. This is the most updated, the Estemere Catalog of Fishes. Now the scientific name of Katla have changed. Okay. Previously it was Katla Katla. Next, the name changed to Gibellion Katla. Now, Gibellion Katla. Now it is Labio Katla. From here only you can easily check whatever the new name is there. This is the most updated form. Search catalog. Okay. Here the search Estemere catalog. Here just we have to name that Katla Katla. Search. So many description is there. Now it is written the current status is synonym of Labio Katla. Okay. Here you can check whatever the so many names are there. Buchanani Katla is there. Then Gibellion Katla is there. So many names are there. You can see Katla Katla will be there. Then Gibellion Katla will be there. Next, now it is called as Labio Katla. Okay. Like that, we can check from these are from these websites. Just search as catalog of fishes. Okay. Note down about these websites. First one is catalog of life. Next, in these are we are not using. Most popularly, we are using catalog of fishes. So the screen is visible, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Catalog of Fishes is a comprehensive online database reference work on the scientific name of fish species and genera. It is developed by California Academy of Science, compiled and continuously updated by William Estemere. Okay. Next is called as FishBase. FishBase is a global information system with extensive information on all species of fish. In FishBase, we can here also we can check the updated, if any name is changed or is description, all those details, detailed description of each specimen was given in FishBase. Okay, it was developed by Treos and Polly. Okay, not in 2019. It was developed during 2000. Next, the online version came is 2002. Okay. Now the version whatever now we are using, that is the 2019 version. Okay. Similar to FishBase, in FishBase we cannot check the detailed description of crustacean and mollusk. For crustacean and mollusk, we are using the Sea Life Base. Similar to FishBase, same the website also similar. It is called as Sea Life Base. Okay. See, this is called as, this is the website of FishBase. Now the total number of fish species described is 34,600. Okay. See, here we have to, whether it is genus or species or genus plus species. Suppose I am giving one name, that is Chanus. We will search. And we will get all the information, where it is distributed, its classification, its description, the fin formula, its biology, life cycle, its IUCN status, all those things we will get from here. This name is, the name of the website is क्या नाम है इसका?
फिश बेस।
फिश बेस। इससे पहले क्या कौन सा नाम बोले?
Catalog of fishes.
कैटलॉग ऑफ फिशेस।
Catalog of fishes. Next is our sea life base. Similar to fish base, it is sea life base. Website design also similar.
सर पर हम एक बार खोले थे ना, तो एक वाला फिश हम फिश बेस पे खोजे तो नहीं मिला, फिर सी बेस पे खोजे तो मिला था, ऐसा भी होता है?
फिश बेस पे तुम्हारा जो फिन फिश स्पेसिमेन है,
नहीं मिला।
हाँ सुनो, फिश बेस में फिन फिश स्पेसिमेन है, सी लाइफ बेस में जनरली क्रस्टेशियन और मोलस्क है, ठीक है? सपोज हियर इट इज पिनियस मोनोडन, ओके, हियर इज पिनियस मोनोडन, PNE, Phineas. You will get the details here. Phineas monodon. In fish base, you will not. See, if here we will give Phineas monodon. Okay. It is not given here. It is given as sea life base. Sea life base is mainly for crustacean and mollusk, and fish base is for fin fishes. Okay. Again, कौन सा स्पेसिमेन के तुम नाम बोल रहे हो जो तुम्हें फिश बेस में नहीं मिला था?
सर मूलेट्स रिलेट सर
हाँ।
जब आप टैक्सोनॉमिस्ट का नाम बोले थे ना लिखने को,
हाँ,
तब सी वाले में देखे थे सर, वो कॉपी मेरे पास अभी नहीं।
हाँ, मुलेट्स मतलब योर म्यूगिल स्पीशीज, ओके? मुलेट्स आर जनरली म्यूगिल स्पीशीज, म्यूगिल cephalus. It will be must, it will be there. म्यूगिल cephalus तो जरूर होगा. Mullets, कोई भी mullets, म्यूगिल cephalus, म्यूगिल टेडे, okay, all those you will get. Mullet ना, any mullet will get. See, म्यूगिल cephalus, Linnaeus 1758. That means after identification from 1758, there is no changes. Linnaeus identified as Mugil cephalus. That name till now it is there. If the name, the genera will change, then it will be in bracket. याद है ना? ब्रैकेट हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? ये बोले थे कि नहीं बोले अभी तक?
सर बताए थे।
जब भी तुम्हारा जेनेरा का नाम चेंज होगा कि फैमिली का नाम चेंज होगा, देन वी विल गिव इन ब्रैकेट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पेरेंथेसिस. Phineas monodon, see, Fabricius, same name is there, but if we check as Phineas vennami, okay, or any other species, then we might found some brackets also. Okay. Other than that, the last This is also we are using, that is called as WRMS or World Register of Marine Species. Okay. Here also we can check the updated scientific name. Okay. Catalog of fishes, fish base, sea life base. Next is our World Register of Marine Species, that is called as WRMS. Okay. Same as suppose Mugilcephalus. Mugilcephalus worms. Mugilcephalus worms. First, it will keep. Here also we can search here. It's coming here. See, Mugilcephalus. Whether the name is accepted, yes, this is the name is accepted. This is not change. Mugilcephalus. The synonyms are for same species. Okay, we will discuss about in next class. So these are the websites: worms, fish base, sea life base, and catalog of fishes. Okay, clear? Okay, students, thank you. If any question is there, then please ask. Otherwise, I will end today's class. Okay, thank you. I am ending today's class.